Oh yeah, Marwan was asking, how complicated can it become if a divorce occurs before removal conditions? It becomes very complicated if your divorce has not been finalized before you file a 751. So let's back it up. When you get a green card based on marriage, and your marriage is less than 2 years old at the time of the issuance of the green card, they issue you a 2-year green card called the conditional green card. 2 years after that, because it's going to expire for 2 years, before the expiration, you have this 90-day window to file Form I-751 application for removal of conditions to get a 10-year green card, a full green card. But you need to show the relationship is real and stuff. Usually you file it with your spouse, and you pump a lot of documents and show that this was a real relationship. A lot of paperwork. I have a bunch of videos on that. But what if you're getting a divorce, you've got a divorce? Well, it becomes problematic because if USCIS can either approve the case if you're together, or if you're separated, you got to be fully divorced before they approve it. Now, there's all sorts of variations and mistakes in USCIS makes on this, and we're fighting with them about to try to make sure issuance is correct, but that's another story. But this is one of the most complicated parts of immigration because the timing of divorce is really important. Now, if your divorce is already finalized at the time of the filing of the case, it's less complicated because you have the divorce paperwork. But let's say you start the case, you're together, and then 6 months later you file for divorce. Well, technically, before most cases, before they'll approve the case, they want to see the final divorce certificate. But if you just got divorced after the case started, it takes 6 months, a year. If you're fighting over a child custody and money and all this kind of stuff, it takes years. And so you won't have a finalized divorce certificate in time for them to approve a bona fide marriage exception. They can still approve if they want to, but it creates a lot of headaches. So if your divorce is already finalized before filing I-751, then it's a good situation. It's better, it's not good because your spouse is not there and they're going to have more attention to your case and to be more skeptical of it, so you really need to document it. But at least you got a heads up there. So that's the short and long of what I did, but definitely consult an immigration at this point, Marwan. Hopefully someone's local to you so they can come to an in-person appointment if needed with USCIS. So that's going to be really key there. But thank you for your question. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.